My degree, my field. The beauty and the challenges. Having a degree is not just a fulfillment, it is also a challenge. Struggles along the way isn't easy. Personal, emotional, and psychological. In this IT era, we encounter different dilemmas in the field of technologies. But my question is, can technology run without electricity? Probably yes, but still electricity plays an integral role in technology. Bachelor of Industrial Technology major in electrical is not just a degree, but it is also a skill that someone can be proud of. Struggles to understand how it is important in dealing with electrical wires, its design and applications, or even installations, not only in our homes, but in manufacturing operations for the maintenance of electrical system as well. Our field of degree contributed a lot in the development of economy. That's the beauty in it. But what's more important is you face the challenges and survive. The electrical industry is no longer stranger to danger. From electrical shock to falls, explosions, electrocutions, fire, and also exposure of potentially carcinogenic materials. All of this we face it. And as a student, I see the beauty in my degree, but this challenge of surviving the face of danger.